Did you know that UAE residents have one of the largest ecological footprints in the world? The footprint is a measurement of everything we consume and use, including the energy to power our homes. In fact, it is our total impact on planet Earth. Households alone are responsible for 57% of the UAE's footprint. If everyone on the planet lived and consumed the same way we do, we would need 4.5 planet Earths, but we only have one, and we are depleting its resources at an alarming rate. Our daily actions, our choices, all make a difference, and because most of what we consume is imported, often from the other side of the world, it is hard to see the consequences in far-off lands. Choosing imported beef, for example, results in a cascade of environmental costs, which in turn can lead to an increase in natural disasters like sea level rise, increased storms, heat waves and drought. The meat processing plant, packaging and transportation from remote locations all require vast amounts of carbon-intensive energy. So, for our sake and the sake of the next generation, we need to stop and think. Adopt new habits. Consume fewer imported products. Replace them with more sustainable ones. Where possible, choose public transport and try to reduce your waste. Be wise about what you buy and reduce your ecological footprint.